Since I decided not to rush on trees and then just sticking to my plan, it has just been boring. You have to get to a stage where you become that lazy man because I'm following my plan. My plan tells me not to trade on the plan. Sticking to a plan is very, very hard, bro. It tells you what to do, and sometimes you feel like you're doing nothing. Then the moment you think of doing more, that's when you start breaking your rules. It is 6:51 p.m. in the evening, Wednesday, July 8th, and yeah, come on, it's time for analysis for tomorrow, Thursday. It's time for analysis, and this is what I'm currently watching. This pair is Euro USD. Okay, this is Euro USD on the 2 hour time frame. And what I'm basically looking for right now is like I have actually seen this nice setup that I'm anticipating for the next day. So I have seen my daily candle range low. Here's my candle range low, which was Tuesday low and then Tuesday high. So what I've seen right now is I've seen this liquidity sweep. Okay, this sweep of previous day low here. So what I'm basically going to look for right now is I'm going to wait for price to change character. Okay, price to change character from this area. Like this is like going to be like a market structure shift to change the character. They are all the same. So this is the pattern I want to see. I want to see price break out this area, retest this level here, then I look for buys to the upside. So my other block, I'm going to consider this other block right here, and then after price breaks this one, I'm expecting price to retest this other block, then I look for buys to the upside. So there is one setup that I'm seeing here on Euro USD, and the another one is USD CHF. Okay, on USD CHF, this is what I'm looking at. Okay, this is the previous day high and the previous day low. So price has showed the liquidity of the previous day high. So what I'm basically looking for is on this one too is price to break this low here, give me a market structure shift, something like this. Price break to the downside. Oh, sorry. Um, okay. Waiting for price to give me a change of character, retest this level, then sell to the downside. So when I consider this other block right here, mm, yes, I'm gonna consider this other block and then enter from that level. So these are the two setups that I'm watching right now for tomorrow. So I've seen this one, it looks very clean. So what is left is for price to change character, retest, then boom to the downside. So this is the simplest thing I've seen right now. This probably gonna be our first setups for the month, and yeah man, these are the setups that I'm looking for right now. So I'm gonna wait for market to open tomorrow, then we see what happens next. All right, so yeah man, without plenty talk, see you guys tomorrow. Let's get it. Since I decided not to rush on trees and then just sticking to my plan, it has just been boring all this while, bro. Today's date is 8. It is Wednesday today, and I haven't taken any trade for the whole of this month yet. Yeah, because I'm not seeing my setup. I'm just sticking to the plan and then making sure I see the A plus setup before I try to react to it. Because yeah, this time around, no time for, I mean, forcing trades and all those kind of stuff. You feel me? So since I started doing that, trying to follow my plan, stick to the plan intentionally, like I haven't been seeing enough setups, and then that's the goal now, just to stick to the plan. And yeah man, we probably gonna see some result probably this month ends. So we left like 3 days more to go, and we still have zero trades and zero setups. So yeah man, that's the plan, that's the goal, is just to stick to the plan and then execute whenever the right time comes. Yeah, so I'm not really going to touch mark because I've done my analysis already. No setup, so I'm probably going to stay away and then wait for the right setups to come. Okay, so that's how the mindset should be. And before I finish, if you're new to my channel and see my face for the first time, my name is Imanova, aka Mello. What I basically do here is I document my trading journey here on YouTube in order to become consistent, profitable trader. Yeah, man, through consistency and perseverance, you feel me? So if you feel my vibe and you wanna embark on this journey with me, just forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notification anytime I post a new video. You'll be able to see it. So probably we find some setups this week before the week ends, and then yeah, man, we see what we have next. we're still running that $50,000 account challenge with FTMO. So that's the goal, is to pass the account, and then probably we get some payout if possible. Then yeah, man, we move on from there. So without further ado, catch you up in my next clip. Yeah, let's get it. Yeah, we couldn't get an entry, but all our anticipations were right. Okay, all our predictions and our anticipation on this particular setups were right. Okay, like I analyzed yesterday, this is the USD CHF trade. I analyzed and I was expecting a market structure shift over here. Yes, we had a market structure shift. So we anticipated of getting an order block around this area. We got the order block plus fair value gap here, which was supposed to be our entry. Price came very close to it and we never got tapped in. Okay, we were only going to get entry if price tapped into this order block, but price came very close to this zone and it didn't tap us in, so we just let it go. Okay, we didn't force any trade, but our anticipations were right. That's the most important and the happiest part. Okay, and let's check the euro USD setup. Okay, let's check that one too. If you check this one too, our anticipations seems right. Okay, because we were expecting a market structure shift and a pullback into this order block right here, so we can get an entry, but price never retraced back, but it went straight after breaking structure, changing character. It went straight to hit our take profit over here, which is the daily candle average high, which was our take profit level. So there was no way even price was able to come back. We could have entered. No, we would have just let this setup go without entering, because price already hit our target after break of structure. So like, it was looking clean. Actually, it was actually looking clean, so I'm so excited for that. Okay, this is like a big win-win for me, because my predictions were right. Okay, just that we didn't get tapped in, the setup would have looked very clean, something like this. Would have expecting something like this. Short position over here, our stop loss above this other block, and our take profit below this low here, which is gonna be our daily candle average low, which is very cool. Then targeting like 1 to 0.5, which was going to be so insane, so nice. But it is what it is. Okay, just sticking to the plan without deviation. Okay, making sure we have the same exact setup criteria before we execute, and that's exactly what I did, and I didn't break my rule. So that's the most important thing that excites me, and I'm so happy for that. You feel me? So that's it for today. Today being Thursday, it's actually gonna be the last trading day of the week for me, because I'm not gonna trade on Friday, because my setup isn't gonna be right if I trade on Friday. So yeah, man, that's it. To become a consistent, profitable trader, you have to get to a stage where you become that lazy man, which is the boring stage, and that's the stage I'm in right now, bro. Like, it is so boring. Today is Friday, and waking up this morning, there's nothing to do. I don't even have nothing to do, because I'm not supposed to trade on Fridays, which is because I'm following my plan. My plan tells me not to trade on Fridays, and I'm doing exactly the same, which is very boring, which makes me feel like I'm not doing anything, bro. Like I'm I'm left behind or something like that. But which is part of the game. You feel me? Boring, like being feeling like you're lazy or something like that. And it is also part of trading, and it is one of the most important part of trading, which is the boring part. And that's the current stage I'm in right now. It will get to a point in your trading where you feel like you're doing nothing, but like you're not doing enough, and you'll be like you are behind or something. But trust me, bro, like that's big improvement, which is like gonna be a win-win at the right time, because you're sticking to the plan. Sticking to a plan is very very hard, bro. Like, it tells you what to do, and sometimes if you try to follow trying to follow your plan effectively, religiously, you mostly become so boring and you feel like you're doing nothing. Then you think of doing more, okay, but the moment you think of doing more, that's when you start breaking your rules. And man, this time around, yeah, our mind is cemented. It is very polished in a sense that we don't have to break the rule anymore. Just trying to stick into the plan consistently, no matter what. Even if I don't see set up for a whole month, I'm okay. I have to just stick with it, and then yeah, man, wait for the right time to come and see the results come. All right. So this is the stage I'm in right now. Currently have nothing to say right now. It's just left for me to just try to watch something and then keep myself, hot for the day. I mean, this probably going to be my last clip for this video. And yeah, man, if you watched to this far, just make sure that you hit that subscribe button and then turn on post notification anytime I drop a new video, you'll be able to see it.